Valentine's Day is a special day for couples, but it can also be a stressful time for those who want to make it special without breaking the bank. In this video, we're going to show you how to make the most of Valentine's Day without breaking the bank. First, think outside the box. Instead of buying expensive gifts, consider making something homemade. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A homemade card or a homemade meal can be just as meaningful as a store-bought gift. Second, plan a budget-friendly date. Instead of going out for a fancy dinner, consider cooking a romantic dinner at home. You can also take a walk in the park or have a picnic in the backyard. The key is to spend quality time together, not to spend a lot of money.